Gentlemen, I don't consider myself an expert in many things, but Dopp bags, toiletry bags, is definitely one thing that I am an expert in because I've owned a ton over the years. They're one of the things that I personally feel every single well-groomed, stylish man needs, because here's the deal. What are you gonna do? There's your spicy senorita like, yo, come on over, Brian, and you're gonna just grab this and probably this and run over and be like, yo, I'm here. She's gonna be like, what are you, some kind of savage? Gentlemen, the responsible, secure, stylish man uses a Dopp bag. And guys, like I said, I have tried a ton. I'm gonna cut the crap and just let you know that this Dopp bag that we have developed at Pete and Pedro is the best Dopp bag I have ever used. We have spared no expense to make sure that this is the best in the game, all right? Few things to point out that you guys are gonna love is the fact it's got a handle, of course. Other thing is, right inside, we got a zipper. We also have a little hook, because here's the deal. A lot of Dopp bags do not have that hook, and it's incredible to hang it up. We also have a small, easy access pouch here in the front. I'm sorry I'm all like butchering this video, but I'm so damn excited to show you guys this. Guys, if you are looking for a new Dopp bag that is going to blow your minds, like this Dopp bag has blown mine, guys, you have got to check out the new Dopp bag by Pete and Pedro. This bad boy is the best.